Transport CS, that's James Macharia, has told truck transporters aggrieved by the directive to move all cargo on the standard gauge railway to seize business opportunities at the ports of Lamu as well as that of Kisumu. Speaking at the launch of the Kenya Port Authority strategic plan, the CS maintains that the move is geared towards reducing congestion at the port and improving efficiency at the facility that will ensure fast delivery of cargo.
Transport Cabinet Secretary James Macharia has been summoned to appear before Parliament tomorrow to shed more light on the government's directive to have all imported cargo be ferried to the inland container depot in Nairobi via the SGR for clearance. The move, which was supposed to take effect today, has been indefinitely suspended.
Tunafungua corridor zingine kama kule Lamu, wajua Lamu kama nilisema zile baadhi tatu za kwanza zitakuwa zimekamilika ifikapo mwezi wa Oktoba. Kwa hivyo hii magari yote ambayo inafanya kazi hapa inaweza enda huko ile tunaita lapsed corridor. Halafu wajua hata tukitumia SGR mpaka kiwango cha juu sana, ni lazima kuwe na mizigo ambayo itaenda kwa barabara.
CS Macharia says that the government suspended the order to give room for more consultations between stakeholders so as to outline key areas of concerns that need to be addressed before its full implementation. He also reiterated that with the millions of tons of cargo imported, freight services would be part of the solution towards settlement of the loan involving construction of state-funded projects.
Tumejipanga, first installment itakuwa mwezi wa Januari 2020, na hiyo kiwango tumeweka. Kwa hivyo watu wasiwe na wasiwasi, hii reli sasa inajiripia. In a break even.
The government still maintains that the movement of cargo from the port of Mombasa to Nairobi via SGR is geared towards reducing congestion at the port to allow efficient delivery of services. Kevin Mutai, NTV, Mombasa.